Hi everyone, this is Mevi, and today I'll show you how to make my messaging app components part 1, hopefully. So first the demo. Today I'll show you just kind of quickly how to make this type of custom list component all by yourself, and I'll also show you how to make this type of floating button thingy from which you can, for example, open another page in a model. All right, so first of all, just in general about the construction of this page, you will need on the page layout, you will need to have disabled scroll and stretched to viewport height for the scroll view to work all pretty and correctly. And this stretched to viewport height is what makes this button here to be in the correct place. Then what I've done is in here in the theme, I have taken away the padding of the page. So I can have these list items go from one end to the other. All right, and I'm currently just generating data from into an app variable, but I might change that for later videos. So what happens here first is I have a container which I will name chats. This is the base container for your own kind of custom list item. Or it could be just a list item or whatever, and it will have an image, another container, and the other container will have two paragraphs. Or actually, I'm going to copy paste the paragraph, so let's only have one. So first we will have this as a horizontal container, and we want this image to be a specific height. Here I really recommend you set a specific width and height so the image behaves more nicely. It refuses to refresh for some reason here, but it will. All right, now it looks better. And then this is horizontal. Oh, it's not inside. Okay, now it looks better. And this is going to be vertical, and it's fine. I'm just going to remove these margins from over here. Just make this container justify content like so. And then I'm going to style this for some. I like this. Wait, more. Put padding for this. This is still required. I'm going to style this kind of to be a smaller text because I like the look of kind of labels here. So font size label. I'm also going to make the line height smaller and just copy paste that. This is going to be the bold text above. This can be just label for now. And this is going to be message below. Then to get the image to round out, you want to set border radius to 90. Ta-da! Oh yeah, and you will want some padding here as well, just to get the image sort of out of the very edge, or you could just add this to the image margin. All right. Then I think that's it. Wait, no, the bottom border. So for this chat container, you'll take the border, add solid with the bottom border, and I like to use this color of the shadow, so it's like slightly gray, not too dark. And that's everything needed for this. And currently here, I'm then repeating it with my page variable, app variable, and I'm truncating both the message and the name here. just so because I don't want them to go in several rows or out of the screen or something. All right. Here you can see. Oh, okay. One thing I still forgot. Here the image should be cover. When it's cover, it kind of just cuts from the center. It's like so. Yep. Now it works. That's everything you need to know. As for this type of a button, I will just, you will just have to put a container. This shall be a floating container too. And the thing here is you want to go into advanced properties and put the position as absolute. When after it's absolute, you can go under dimension and position to the position tab, and when you put these to bottom and right, and then, well, for example, 8. Well, 8 and 8 would put it on the same exact spot as the other one, so I will just put it more to the right, so just so we can see both of them. All right, that's about good. Then it's just about styling. So what I have inside here is an icon. I have, well, let's do the container first. Yes, background color. I have just chosen it to be the highlight color. You can of course choose anything you want. Then I have set radius because I wanted a rounded one. And then went on to change the icon color so it's visible. Here we go. Then, let's choose a more fun icon, something else. Something that's not in a square shape, for example, this one. So I can demonstrate some things you may want to do. You want to have some padding in the container in general, but then as you can see here, it's not round. So if you want it to be round, you kind of have to, depending on the icon, you have to add some more to the margins, and then it's just kind of playing it by the eye, seeing what works, what looks about right. Let's see if it's 4. Well, 4 looks about right. Yep. All right. Let's see. Okay. As you can see here, it is not quite round, but I'm still happy with it. Yeah, I think that's all for this time. Next time I will show more of the model window and we'll see what else I come up with. All right, see you.